Hi friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. I just want to come on here for our day 29 out of 30 videos and tell you hello so you can put a face to the soap, I guess, the videos. My name is Candace. I am the owner and creator at Marquee Soaps. I have been making soap since 2014. I started making hot process soap and did that for about 2 years, doing different craft shows, art fairs, vendor shows, things like that, just selling in person, a little here, a little there. After about 2 years, I wasn't really doing that great. I didn't invest the time in actually promoting my products correctly. I kind of just thought, oh, they'll sell by themselves. Products don't sell by themselves. You have to actually sell them, like promote them to sell them. So I stopped for a couple years. In 2018, a friend of mine owned kind of a really upscale, classy, not really upscale, for our area, a classy bar. And she wanted to offer my products, my soap products in her bar. So I made probably 15, 20 batches of soap, put them up for sale there. They did okay, but I just wasn't really in the mindset to start my business up again. So I that's all I did. I did 15, 20 batches for her, and then I was kind of done. I put my crock pots away and stored them, put them back in storage. Then in 2019, an opportunity came to where I was offered an entire storefront for my soap business in a town called LeClaire, Iowa. If you've ever watched the show American Pickers, the two guys on there, they are from LeClaire. So the storefront, LeClaire is a small town where people go to get out of their cars, to walk around to different shops, to spend a whole day there. There are really nice restaurants, there's wineries, distilleries, there's a lot of bands, and there's all sorts of cute little shops where people come and just walk around, spend the day, and shop and buy things. So it's a perfect place for a soap shop. But I didn't have the inventory. I didn't have the money at the time to make the inventory to fill a whole shop. So I decided that I just couldn't do it. And I was very disappointed in that, because that was my all-time goal, is to have a storefront with my products in there. But I wasn't at a point to where my soaps, I thought, were they looked nice enough to really sell that great. So that was in the back of my mind for a long time, like disappointed that I wasn't able to open that shop. So the end of 2019, I'm like, you know what? Why don't we just do an Etsy shop? That's not a downgrade. Like, it's a lot of work. I learned a bunch of things from Skillshare in regards to how to photograph products, which I still need to work on. That's still my photographing products and posting on like my social media pages are my downfalls. There are things that I am aware that I need to do a lot more of and work on, and I just haven't done it yet. So what are we talking about? Etsy shop. So my Etsy shop has been open technically for 1 year. I opened it in March of 2020. I didn't sell my first item until April of 2020. So technically I count April as being the first month that I was open. So I've sold quite a few items on Etsy. I've sold quite a few items in person. I did switch up, obviously, to cold process soap, because that's what I make here on my channel, as well as a bunch of whip soaps, bath truffles, sugar scrubs, shower steamers, bath bombs, lotion bars. I'm sure I'm missing things, as we do make a wide variety of products. So it's been great. I've been really enjoying being busy all the time and taking the time to invest in myself, to learn more things, to put my face on YouTube, which I am extremely uncomfortable with, because I just don't feel comfortable doing it, but we're still doing it. We're getting out of our comfort zone. We are putting our stuff out there. We are promoting ourselves, promoting what we have to offer, which, I think my soaps are pretty great. So that's why we're here. That's why we started a YouTube channel, to show you maybe a few little tricks and trades and ideas for your soap business, but also to promote our own. Again, we just got off topic. This is literally the 7th time I've tried to film this video. My phone, I use my iPhone. It keeps wanting to turn off, and then the volume is very strange. I don't know if it's because I'm in my dining room today and it's a bigger room. I don't know, but 7th time's a charm, I hope, because my voice is getting really dry. My throat's really dry from saying the same thing over and over. So I am a mom of 4 kids. We have Kylie, that's 15, Goni is 12, Aaliyah is 8, and Sarah's 10. So I have 3 girls and a boy. My husband and I, Jeremy, we've been married. In June it will be 3 years. So he is stepdad to the 4 kids, and they just adore each other. We have 2 dogs. We have a 10-year-old yellow lab. She is a rescue dog named Massey, and we have a 3-year-old Siberian husky named Mika. So we are a pretty busy household. So in some of my videos, you can definitely hear the kids or the dogs or, me talking in the background. It comes with the territory. It comes with working from home. I don't feel comfortable telling my kid. I'll tell them, hey, I'm going to do a YouTube video, but if they forget, or decide that they want to start talking again, then I just let it ride. So some of my videos you'll notice are all, or at least half of them there's no sound. It's usually because there's a bunch of noise in the background and I just don't want you guys to hear it. It's not that I don't want you to hear it, but it does not pertain to the soap making video. The video I posted yesterday, the lavish spa, Jeremy was in the basement just playing on the drums the whole time, and so I knew that I was going to end up using music over top of it, so I didn't talk at all because you wouldn't be able to hear me over the drums. And I think that he would not like his drums have been on YouTube before just from it being in my background, but he doesn't know that. He doesn't watch my videos. He would probably be embarrassed because he considers himself to be a guitar player who plays the drums when he's in the basement and it's cold and he wants to warm up. He'll go over and he'll bang on the drums for 15 minutes and then he'll go back to playing guitar, and he plays his guitar with his little earphones on. So totally irrelevant to the video, but what else? So I work in customer service full time, so that does help. I answer phone calls for different companies. We process rebates for them, so I do customer service for that. So that has definitely helped with my soap business as well, because working customer service, you kind of know what to expect out of people and how to answer their inquiries and concerns and comments and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video today. I thank you all for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow where it will be my 2nd attempt at a lollipop swirl. The first attempt I did film, and I apparently didn't hit record when I went to cut the soap, so that's kind of defeats the point of having a video if you can't see the cut. So I'll be sure to hit that record button this time so you can see it on our final video. Bye guys.